y'all, it's your girl Brandy Gibbs, and I am back on your screen. I'm on my way over to my aunt's house. It's raining cats and dogs out here on Memorial Day. I had to go to work today. I hope you guys can hear me, but like I said, I had to go to work today and do that quick 8-hour shift, and it's raining really hard. So I feel sorry for the people who was outside at the picnics and the parks and whatnot, because this is nothing nice. Get back over here in the fast lane. So I'm on my way over to my Auntie Cheryl house because she cooked. I didn't eat lunch today, so I figured I would stop over at her house and she cooked and give me something to eat. So I'm gonna get off this phone so I can focus on the road. I'll see you guys when I come back to the camera. Alright. Y'all, it's so bad that we had to pull over, for real. It is so bad out here. You can't hardly see. And the traffic was flowing really good, so I'm assuming that the people that's in the front of us stop their vehicles because it's raining so bad. I had to put the car in park. I'm not too far from my aunt's house. I'm about 10 minutes away. Girl, I gotta go home. Look what the rain did to my head. I was looking cute at work. You know what? Hey y'all, it's your girl Brandy Gibbs, and I'm back on your screen. I made it to my auntie house. Look what the rain did to me. All the viaducts are flooded. It's just really bad out. But thank God I made it safe. You want to say hi to my viewers?
Hey y'all.
Wait a minute, y'all.
Oh shit, I'm flipping.
That's my baby cousin, Chastity.
They don't recognize me. I don't have no makeup on.
Girl, we're going to do a video together. I got to have an off day. We're going to do a video together, and we're going to do, what we're going to do, Chaz?
I don't know. You got to help me with my eyes. I don't
This
cut the
girl.
crease right.
I don't know how to do that either. They're good.
Oh, well, I need to learn the regular way, because cutting the crease ain't working.
Girl, I'm all sweaty and everything from work. But what was I going to tell you? Yeah, we're going to do a get ready with me video. What y'all think? Thumbs up this video if you want to see us do a get ready with me. You want to do a get ready with me? What you eating?
Banana pudding. It's gone.
Oh.
It's gone.
Alright, y'all. Wait, I got to show y'all something. Let me hold the camera right. I got to share with y'all. Hey, Auntie Cheryl.
Hi.
Wait.
Hi.
Hey, Auntie. She don't want me on camera today. She's still cute. Okay, y'all. Auntie Cheryl, what is this?
This is Optavia diet.
Optavia diet?
And it
Turn
is
the
a
light
diet
on.
plan that I paid $400 for.
$400. Look at that,
And
y'all.
what it is, but it's infused with lots of vitamins. And what you do, you eat five of these a day, and then you eat 3 ounces of meat and 2 veggies, and it really works there.
But
And
you
it's-
slim and trimming.
But it's hey baby. It's
Let me
working.
see. Let me look at
But
you.
it's very, but it's
But let me
packed
do
with,
a-
it's really healthy because it's infused with vitamins and things like that. So
Y'all, let me show y'all
it's
close up.
Optavia.
This says yogurt. What is this? Yogurt berry blast. So you just reach in here and get one of these.
And just put it in the blender and ice and I blast it.
For real? This is really interesting.
It's called Optavia. Yes.
This one is home style chicken. You know what? That's up to Auntie Cheryl. She be buying all kinds of stuff. Now, what kind of vacuum is this? She doing too much, y'all. I love it though. I love it. Okay, I'll be back. Auntie Cheryl cook. Wait a minute. I'm gonna show y'all the banana pudding. Is this ain't the banana pudding you just showed me?
Yeah, Chad, don't show because Chad's put some stuff on
Quip on the top.
Some Quip.
Chad's
Open it up with your hands, cause my hands ain't clean.
Chad's put the
Please.
You gotta get the other side, because we don't.
Chad's put
See my flowers?
the meringue on top. What she did.
Them some pretty flowers. Who gave you them flowers, girl?
My boyfriend.
Aww. Let's see.
She put the meringue on top.
Ooh. That look good, y'all. Why that pan look so huge when she texted me earlier?
Did it?
I think you, if I know you better, I know you done did 2 of them.
No.
Your hair is really pretty.
Oh, it's frizzy.
You natural, right?
Can't
Look
do
at all
problem.
that beautiful hair,
I'm
y'all.
trying to dye my hair.
Here we go. Here we go.
Ah,
It's so beautiful.
thank you.
Okay, what you use? What kind of products you use on your hair? Because I see, I'm gonna need to do something.
I'm gonna show you. I just started using some new.
Ooh, we be back. Girl, I wasn't planning on it. Auntie Cheryl had me going over grandma's house.
You call it grandma?
Huh?
You call it grandma?
No, when I used to come over here all the time, she'd be like, take a plate of grandma's house. Go to Uncle Pierre's house. All right, Chaz.
It's empty now. I gotta restart.
Hungry.
Huh?
My brother might be hungry.
She gonna have me going to Uncle Pierre's house too? Okay. Show me. Show us. What you started
So
with?
usually, start off with this cream of nature. I gotta do it like the vlog. Straight from Eden shampoo and conditioner. But I ran out of conditioner. So I use this.
Wait, hold on. See, we have an aunt. Well, that's her
always
mama.
singing.
She always sing it. It does not matter. She'll just sing. Okay.
So I use this conditioner. Does
They
this
can
really
see it.
work? I don't think so.
What's
So
that?
boom.
Olive oil from Palm Out?
Mm-hmm.
Okay.
Shampoo and conditioner. But I ran out of both conditioners. So to deep condition, I use everything. This is Mielle Rosemary Mint Strengthening Hair Mask.
Oh, let's smell that.
Oh, it smells beautiful.
Open it up.
Beautiful.
Okay, I smell it.
Or, depending on how I'm feeling,
Can't wait to go home.
I use this Raw Shea Butter Shea Moisture Restorative Conditioner.
That's good.
I like this. I like this.
Water going down, Chaz.
And then, if I leave my hair natural, I use this. This is my little sample, don't judge. My Mielle leave-in conditioner.
Is that good?
I like it.
Does it like define your curls? Because I see you got the pineapple going on.
What helps define my curls? Let me think about it. I just
Your
kind of
hair
toss
don't.
everything.
Your hair
on.
doesn't look dry. I like that.
I feel dry.
Mm-mm.
Did you touch it?
No, it looks can be just. It's just pretty. Nope. So pretty, y'all. She got some long hair. So, girl, this is over with today. Okay, but you ain't say anything about this.
This is thank God it's natural. And this is some more leave-in conditioner. But for curls, let me see. I might have some curl jelly.
girl. All right, Chaz, what you
Some
say?
of this. These are all samples. I just switched over new stuff.
Oh, so that
I
worked.
don't know, I just put a little bit of everything in. I don't have no like, straight regimen.
Are you becoming a product junkie?
I don't think so. I always deep condition my hair though. I want my hair natural, so I gotta have a lot of stuff in there. I really want my hair straight away.
Okay.
So maybe I am.
Maybe-
Mielle is good. I'm
So when
starting to get addicted.
I wash my hair, how do I keep the moisture? I don't see no oil. You don't have no oil.
I got
No oil. Auntie Cheryl, we doing a get ready with me. I'm gonna come over here and we're gonna do a get ready with me. Me and Chaz. You have your own makeup collection where you can, where you where you can beat your face.
I'll watch.
How they say where you can?
I love this stuff too.
What is that?
Straight from Eden.
Do it smell good?
Repairing oil.
Pump a little bit right here, just a little, tiny. Ooh. Oh, that smells good.
And sometimes I use actual shea butter.
I need that. Oh, that smells real good.
I really like it. What is that?
Repairing oil.
Repairing oil.
You know, I like that kind of stuff. Okay, let me get off of here so that I can mess with my Auntie Cheryl. Thank you, Chaz, for sharing with us your hair regimen and what you use.
No problem. Should have called me yesterday. They were cute yesterday.
You always cute. All right.
I have to get a hair regimen.
Auntie Cheryl, your house smells real good.
Oh, thank you, darling.
I smell barbecue. I can't wait.
I smell like barbecue.
Look, the viaducts are full of water.
Really?
Yes.
I can believe that because I'm looking at this.
Well, how am I gonna get home?
Because they're going to go down like they're going down now, just like they went down now.
You think it's gonna go
How
down?
did you get here?
Girl, by Grace.
What fight out? I mean, which direction?
I took Dan Ryan all the way here to
you took Dan
95th,
Ryan.
and everybody just was at a standstill.
It's a hot tamale mess.
Okay, y'all, I'll be back.
Oh, we on live?
Mm-hmm.
I don't know where to start.
Where we at?
So right here, we got our baked beans with ground beef. Okay. We got some spaghetti. I got a little excited already. Some barbecue sauce. Here you go, the banana pudding, I think. Here you go, some meat with barbecue sauce. Got some ribs, some hot links. Let's see what else we got going on over here. We got some chicken wings. We got some more meat with barbecue sauce. Oh, this without barbecue sauce. Some ribs. That's all we working with today. So
It's getting hotter than me.
it's getting hotter.
Hey guys, this banana pudding is going on.
Who made it?
Auntie Cheryl made it. I love banana pudding. She should have made a big pan. Auntie Cheryl, what's all these boxes over here?
All these shit's probably 2 weeks. About 9 something. Look at all these boxes. I got 1, 2 of here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. What the world wrong with me?
Look, y'all. Y'all say I'm a shopper? Y'all ain't got nothing. Let me bend down some. Oh, I'm gonna get on the floor for y'all. Look at all these bags and boxes. Let me switch down because I don't want y'all to see her address.
You say back, because some of these I gotta take back, send them back because they too big. Like,
Y'all want to see a haul? I heard y'all say y'all want to see a haul. Ooh, I'm getting old. Y'all see how I got up off the floor? Let me see.
I will talk about these.
Okay, y'all, I'm back. Let me show y'all these shoes. These the first pair. What are these? Bling Bling Rhinestone. Well, somebody retired. They show not on a budget. Oh, these are cute. Y'all like these? I like these. These are pretty. Ooh, I like these. Let's see these shoes.
Those going back because they too big. I ordered some of that size.
Here's some mustard color pumps. So you just gotta get them in every color, huh?
I had to get every color shoe I needed. I needed red and needed.
Auntie Cheryl, all the shoes that I've known you had over the years, you don't need any shoes.
We never go outside.
So go out of style, huh? What? Y'all, I'm just this is just warming up. Oh, here goes some over here too. Y'all, this lady right here. These are cute. Uh-oh. Wait a minute, she got them in fuchsia too? Really? I don't know what's... Wait a minute, you get them in a 9? You need to start getting your shoes in a 10.
Yeah. So you can fit it?
So I can pass down.
Oh, okay.
Pass down.
Where's the top? So this a window top on it?
Chaz, you sure did get out that camera. Man, that banana pudding going on. What is this called? Olio?
Every color. That's a different style.
Y'all like these? This looks like a banker shoe.
I was a banker.
What you say?
I was a banker.
Okay, Auntie Cheryl, we having a suede thing going on. Did you just click every color? I like this color. This is pretty. I love yellow.
I didn't like it because I wanted mustard. I thought I was getting mustard.
But it's pretty.
I guess.
I hope these shoes were on sale.
Well,
Because you got them in every color.
these are.
No, you like those?
Yeah. Better get like that like a
They cute. They look fun with some distressed jeans, boyfriend style, rolled up. Your haul worse than that. Okay, if we buy another suede shoe, then I just see this shoe.
Well, that's an idea.
You just saw that.
I had to order several red to see which red I wanted.
Really?
I see the style I wanted.
OMG. I'm done. This is,
Listen, the bags
Let me put these in.
oh my lord.
Yes, you helping me. Some of you missing ones.
Yeah, we got more.
Another future. I can do this black mustard.
These gotta go back. Oh, I hate this heel. This is like for real. You want to get baptized in these shoes. Easter Sunday.
I need a dressy flexion.
Your mama just said she got rebaptized.
Girl, no bueno. I'm waiting on the video.
Did she tell you?
Girl, yeah, she told me a little bit. I talked to her for a minute. You wore these shoes.
That's just the stuff on the floor in the house.
We ain't keeping these.
Just this one.
Don't even think about it. Another fuchsia. Now these are pretty. These are cute. Especially with an all white outfit.
I just bought an all white pantsuit too.
Yeah. I can't wear her shoes. She wear 9. I need 10.
Those are good.
If I put some heels on, that will complete the haul. What's up, y'all? It's your girl Brandy Gibbs, and I'm back on your screen. Today I decided to rock my natural hair. Yes, I decided to rock my natural hair, and it's okay. You know, this is not something that I would probably do. I don't think I would do this every day because I get tired of this, y'all. But what's up in the tell y'all? I just left Walmart, picked my son up from school, and I'm headed to run some errands. But I just wanted to stop in to say, hey, I wasn't able to film on yesterday because, honey, I got caught in that rain. Went over to my aunt's house. Y'all seen I was acting silly with her, messing with her. And now it's the next day. I'm in the car, and I just decided to hit that record button. So since I'm not talking about anything and I'm just rambling, and I will get off of here and I will try to hit that record button when I have something else to talk about. But this isn't the way I wore my hair on today. I wore my hair down. I'll insert a picture so that you can see what I'm talking about. That's how I wore my hair. I was going to work, so I'm a little sleepy. That's what I am. I'm a little sleepy, and my curls is okay. They shrunk some. Yeah, y'all. I'm gone. I ain't talking about anything. I'll see y'all in a minute. What's up, YouTube? I'm back at my house. Y'all, I'm looking a mess with this hair, but don't mind the hair, y'all. I just came back from Walmart, and I was putting away the food, and I was like, you know what? I know y'all probably want to see a grocery haul, because I like to see what y'all be buying when y'all be buying groceries. So I needed some more of these cereal. I need some more of this Fruit Loop. This is like my favorite cereal, and it's the marshmallow. Yes, y'all. This is really, really good. What else did I get? You know, I needed some bread. I like this kind of bread. This artesian bread from Sara Lee. It's so soft and it's kind of thick. I like this. I like to make French toast with this bread. It's really, really good. So I bought 3 of those. And then the macaroni. Okay, then we have the, what is this? The jumbo beef franks, Chicago hot dogs. I like these. I had to buy eggs. I bought 2 of those. No need to hold both of them. And then we have some Colby Jack cheese from Great Value and some Mexican cheese. I might make some tacos this week, so that's why I bought all these cheese. Let me put that away. I'm gonna kill my husband because he also wants to get some groceries and get brown eggs. Anyway, we have some Pillsbury flour, butter. You guys know about the butter. Well, actually, I got a recipe from one of my coworkers. Some peanut butter cookies. No, not peanut butter cookies. Some butter cookies. Y'all can't take me serious with this because I can't take my own stuff serious. But some butter cookies. Yes, my coworker gave me the recipe, so it requires some vanilla extract. So I got that, and I like to put this in my sweet potatoes. Some lemon extract, not a lot, but you know, just enough. So what else? Let me go through this really quick. My son likes these French toast by Great Value. He eats that a lot. Another cereal. I'm gonna put that on top of the refrigerator. I can't drink regular milk, so I drink Lactaid. This is like a random grocery store haul. I did not make a list or anything. I just went for it. The oatmeal cream pies. You know, you like to eat one of those like late at night when you laying in bed and you need a snack. Some strawberry preserve. I think this video is going to be like a haul video, a haul vlog, a vlog haul. Anyway, then we have the Hellmann's mayonnaise. I don't like Miracle Whip. I have to get some confectionery sugar to go with the butter cookies that I'm making. I hope they turn out real good. Hush! My dog in the backyard, he trying to come in. Okay, toothpaste. Lashes. Need those. I'm gonna try these right here from Mielle. I don't know how they one is a semi-deep definition and one is a deep definition. One has pomegranate and honey and the other one is like a twisting souffle for my hair. We got the Vaseline jumping off. Some more milk. We have, what is this? Tortillas for our tacos. I hate putting away groceries. Oh! I like to get the frozen corn. We have strawberries, and you know what? I just thought my son forgot about the water in the car, so I'm gonna send him to get the water. Some tomatoes, brown sugar for the sweet potatoes, ground beef. We need ground beef for the tacos. And Walmart had some bogus sweet potatoes this time. They were really, really small, so I ended up getting 4. Along with some iceberg lettuce to go with the tacos. I still like chicken pot pies, so I ended up getting 4. My son likes these for snacks after school. These pizza party pizzas by Totino's. Now these are my favorite. These are from Amy's, and it's the made with organic corn tortilla and vegetables. It's enchilada roasted poblano, and this is a gluten-free meal because y'all know the other stuff that I showed y'all was not gluten-free. It wasn't even good, but this right here is really, really good. I love this because it's a vegetarian dish. And I purchased 2. And they're not expensive at all, but it's really good and filling. I like my popcorn shrimp every now and then. Salt foods. And again, this is not that channel where we show healthy foods. I just get whatever I want. And this is some Miss Dash. We have broccoli, a bag of broccoli. I'm gonna make some spinach. And you know, once you cook it, it cooks down. So you need 2. This is my favorite cheese to put on tacos, the Chihuahua cheese. So I get the big bag that's like $9 instead of getting a small one, because the small one goes really quick. Some Idaho fries, these are pretty good. And some white American. We have some orange juice. He bought this big bag of, y'all. He bought that big old bag of marshmallows like I'm gonna let him eat it all. He ain't gonna eat all that. And then we have the pineapple juice, orange pineapple. This is pretty good. Okay, this is the last bag. I like to purchase my tank tops from Walmart. These were $3.94. So I got a blue one. I picked up 3 whites because I run through whites real fast. Especially when you wash them, sometimes they discolor. So I like to get white. I'm sorry for the glare, that light right there. But yeah, and I got a black one and a gray one, and that will complete my Walmart haul. Thank you all for watching. Okay, y'all, it's your girl Brandy Gibbs, and I'm back on your screen. My son wasn't holding the camera right, so I am going to upload this. Let me do it. I'm not even put you in it. Y'all, I got my haul from Fashion Nova. It was only one item that I ended up ordering. And it was this blouse right here. It looks like so. It's yellow. It's cute. It's cute. I'll put a picture up so y'all can get a better visual of how it looks, because I'm not doing it no justice. And then you have this lighting going on. There is no daylight in here. This is a ceiling fan. It has like some weird kind of lighting. It's real like small little light bulbs. So yeah. Well, guys, I have came to the end of this here vlog. I thank you all for watching. Don't forget to comment, rate, subscribe to the channel, and I will see you in the next video. Until then, you guys have a blessed one. Love y'all. Don't talk about my hair today, y'all. It'll get better maybe next week. I'll probably wear this for like 1 week. I don't know. I'm not gonna wear this, you know. I'm gonna wash it and try to do it over. Yeah, and I'm not gonna, I don't know. I don't know what I'm gonna do. We'll see. Y'all probably be flat iron by tomorrow. Okay, bye y'all.